Welcome to this guide. Today, you will learn how to log into the Duolingo app using your Facebook account. If you have previously connected your Facebook to Duolingo or you prefer the quick login method, follow these simple steps. Launch the Duolingo app on your smart device. If you do not have the app installed, download it from the App Store or Google Play and install it first. By opening the Duolingo app on the homepage at the bottom of the screen, you can see two fields, of which we need the I already have an account field, and then click on that field. By clicking on that field, a new page will open where you will also see a field in the lower left corner of the screen that says Facebook, and then click on it. It is important to know that you must have a logged-in Facebook account in order to automatically log in. The app will open a new page where it will ask you to confirm whether you want to continue. If you agree, then click on the Confirm option. Once the login is successful, you will be redirected to your Duolingo homepage, where you can continue your language learning progress. And that's it. You have now successfully logged in to Duolingo using your Facebook account. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and follow us for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.